A local man is in hot water after he allegedly threatened a judge and law enforcement officers this week.
The situation played out at the Bay County Courthouse, and as you're about to see, law enforcement officials are taking these threats seriously. 35-year-old Anthony Taylor is no stranger to the people who work at the Bay County Courthouse, but after his most recent court appearances, he's becoming more well-known and not necessarily in a good way. Court records and video show the Panama City man insulted a judge and threatened to kill him during his first appearance on a petty theft charge. Taylor was in jail on September the 28th and appeared in front of County Judge Joe Grammer. When Judge Grammer ordered him held on $2,500 bond, Taylor expressed his displeasure.
I've never had a petty theft ever. All my stuff is drugs. I don't steal stuff.
Judge Grammer justified the $2,500 bond by noting that other defendants charged with this crime did not have Taylor's criminal record. As Taylor headed to the hallway, he let loose.
Set my bond high.
That's when Judge Grammer ordered him back into the conference area of the jail.
All right, come back in. Your bond is $10,000, sir. I'll see you in the morning. I can't trust you to come in if you even made the bond.
Taylor then asked Judge Grammer to clarify his current bond. When told it was now $10,000, Taylor began to scream. At that point, jail officials muted the Zoom call, so there is no recording of anything else Taylor may have said. But in an arrest affidavit, deputies wrote that Taylor said that if he saw Grammer, he was, quote, going to kill him on sight. Taylor then allegedly threatened the deputies, saying he was going to start, quote, blasting y'all in the street. The next day, Taylor appeared before Grammer again and toned down his rhetoric.
Sorry about being an yesterday, man, about the bond.
Judge Grammer then offered Taylor 10 days in jail for his misdemeanor charge. Taylor accepted that plea agreement, but his tirade in front of Judge Grammer resulted in new charges for making threats against a judge and law enforcement officers. He appeared before Judge Shane Vann for his first appearance on those charges Thursday.
Yes, sir. Me and Judge Grammer had got into it, but I never said anything about killing Judge Grammer. I never threatened anybody specifically. I don't have any problem with Judge Grammer. None of that stuff, sir.
Law enforcement officers urged Judge Vann to hold Taylor without bond, but Vann declined, noting that Taylor could not afford his current bond.
And Judge Grammer's aware, and I think Judge Grammer will take appropriate steps to ensure his own safety.
Ultimately, Vann set Taylor's bond on the two new charges at $10,000. Taylor has an extensive criminal record that includes drug possession, grand theft, burglary, aggravated stalking, and escape. He is due back in court on Monday.
A group